Hello students, let us evaluate another answer script of Mock 1 examination of English Literature and Language, subject code 184. We are going to use the strategy of 1 star and 3 wishes. That means we are going to identify one good quality in this paper and give 3 areas for suggestion. Let us begin the evaluation by first looking at the question numbers, how it is written. Question number is in place, but the sub question number, the question numeral is missing, sub part is there, but the candidate has written the textual option literal in the margin. That should be over here in the textual area along with the answer. This is one grave error this candidate has made. That error is a little confusing. That it should be question number 1, subpart 1, and if literal A is the answer, A should be in the textual area and the answer. The same applies for all. And give suggestions how this candidate can improve in reading comprehension. What strategies do you use for studying and improving reading comprehension? Give the same suggestion to this candidate so that this candidate, he or she, can also work on it to improve and overcome these common errors in reading comprehension. The question number and the literal, it's all mixed up, and there's quite a number of letters and numbers in the margin, and any tend to be answered following the CBSE regulations. Give suggestions how the candidate can improve in MCQs, whether the strategy of elimination to be used, narrowing down, reading the passage, labeling the passage. What strategy do you use? Give the same suggestion to the candidate for improvement, and if the strategy is helping you, do share that strategy with the candidate. In the question of literature, that option A or B, which one has the candidate attempted, that is very essential. It should go in the margin and in the text area also, where it is written option A, and then begin responding to the sub questions, and the literal should go in the textual area where you write the answer. This is one major correction in this particular paper, and how the candidate can avoid the errors, whether by studying or by using strategies of attempting the question by eliminating. Kindly suggest, give suggestions to the candidate for improvement. What suggestion would you give to the candidate for improving on grammar? Grammar seems quite an area of concern. Writing, this kind of date format is not acceptable. This is short form. The candidate should be very careful. In the question paper, it is given to check the knowledge of the student, how this, whether the students know that acronyms are not allowed. That's a pointer to the position, the to the location, the city, town, state, country. The subject should not be more than 3 words, and it should be written after the salutation. The language should be formal. Many residents, they, the subject is definitely incorrect. You do not use contractions in writing. This is non-academic writing. You should adopt academic writing. Give suggestions how the candidate can work on academic writing. Truly, is it correct to use truly? It is used only for editors. Should be yours sincerely or yours faithfully. Give suggestions to the candidate for improvement in literature also. The opening sentence, the writer's name, the prose form, the title to the short story, and the strong verb. Give suggestions, or if you can write a sample answer for anyone, that will definitely help the candidate to practice and follow the advice. Overall, the candidate needs a lot of suggestions for improvement. Kindly give your suggestions how the candidate can improve, how the question numbers and writing can be improved. Identify one area Par- the dialogue writing seems more like a paragraph writing. It should be very brief and there should be indenting in the dialogue. Give suggestions, identify one good quality, and give three suggestions for improvement to this candidate. When you evaluate a paper, it will definitely help you more than the candidate to whom you are giving suggestions. So definitely make an attempt to evaluate as many papers as possible. Thank you for your kind attention.